Steve. Another great performance on a Friday night. Bit rainy, but great performance.
Yeah, it's great playing a Friday night under the lights, and I thought we were first class again.
Yeah.
I've said it numerous times, but from start to finish, we had probably 2 or 3 lapses in concentration throughout the game. Cost us once, nearly cost us in the second half. But apart from that, we dominated, and it could have been more.
Yeah,
it could have been more. We got in good areas. We didn't have any proper, real, clear-cut chances, but we got into really good, dangerous areas, and a little bit more quality, which we'll work on. We could have scored a few more goals. I was just speaking to the ref Pedge there. I thought he had a good game, but there was I'll have to watch it back, but I think there was definitely
penalty.
A shout for a penalty.
Yeah. I think being 3-1 up at the time, he probably took the easy decision, didn't he?
Just think if it's a pen, it's a pen.
Yeah.
He didn't think it was, and
right.
He makes them decisions. So and he's a good referee. So
It was tough conditions in the rain, but we controlled the game, like you say, and we did some quality passages of play, and like you said, got some balls into really dangerous areas in the box.
Yeah, sorry. Buckley, a direct, physical, team, a tough team to play against, especially at the Globe. And for the first, I'd probably say half an hour, we matched that.
Yeah.
We had to match that. We didn't play as much football as I would have liked in the first 30 minutes. But then once we started to play, get it down and pass it, we looked. The dominant force.
The goals were quality as well.
We looked the dominant force, and we scored 2 great goals.
Yeah, it was good to see Guto on the score sheet as well. It was a great goal for him.
I think he closed his eyes and he missed it. But no, he was first class as well tonight, just sitting in front of the back 4. And the lads, it was really difficult, to the team selection today. But the lads who came on, I thought every single one of them was first class.
Yeah, that's it. Now, when we bring players on from the bench, it's almost like for like, and there's no difference in the team.
We've got the strength and depth.
Yeah,
everybody's fighting for their place.
Right. Yeah.
It's like I've said it before. It's healthy competition. And in football, you want that. You want to be pushed, and the lads are pushing each other and bringing the best out of each other. And again to produce that in front of the Seagull fans, who were in full voice there.
Yeah, it was a good night tonight. Again,
they're the 12th man, and they are driving the lads on, and wanting us, making us wanting to be better. We go again. We'll enjoy tonight now. We'll go again Wednesday and Thursday, ready for press starting on Saturday.
Okay. Congratulations on the win, and apologies for not saying congratulations last week. I remembered this time on your Manager of the Month award. Well done.
It's not for me. That's for everybody. That's the players. The staff, yourself, everybody at the club. It's not about one person. It's about everybody.
Yeah.
And everybody deserves credit for that, because everybody has their part to play. From yourself to John to Tosh, to Matt to Dave, who's come on as a goalkeeping coach now, to the physios, to the fans, to Cov, everybody at the club has a part to play, and everybody's playing their part.
It seems to be working, whatever you're doing.
We're all striving for that goal at the end of the season. We've just got to take, like I said, we'll enjoy tonight, but then it's back to work, ready for next week.
Okay. Thanks very much, Steve. Well done.